I have seen people struggling with the Kubernetes for years. It's not because of it's hard, but it's because how it has been explained to you. Hello guys, welcome back to the Let's Crack IT. Today in this video, I'm going to explain the Kubernetes never before ever. And I promise, once you watch this video, you won't forget the Kubernetes ever after. So, let's watch it. Think of a Kubernetes like a school management system. And here is the basic mapping. Your school campus, think of it like a Kubernetes cluster. The principal office is your control plane. The school buildings and facilities are the worker nodes. Classrooms are the pods, and students are the containers. The goal of the school is simple: make sure classes are running, students are in the right rooms, and if something goes wrong, it gets fixed automatically. That's exactly what Kubernetes does for your application. So, today we are not going inside any room, we are just looking at the campus map. That is the main components of the Kubernetes. The very first component is the cluster. The cluster is the school campus, the place where everything exists and runs. Just remember, cluster is your whole school. Then the control plane. The control plane is like the principal office. It manages the whole school, but it doesn't teach classes. Just remember, control plane is the management. There are several components inside the control plane like API server, scheduler, controller manager, and etc. We'll open this office in the next video. The third main component is worker nodes. Worker nodes are like the school buildings and the facility. They provide the space and the environment where classes can run. So, just remember, worker nodes are the place where work runs. Fourth component is your application in the Kubernetes are called workloads. In our analogy, pods are the classroom and containers are the students inside it. So, just remember, workloads are the actual work happening inside the building, which contains your pod, deployments, job, stateful sets, and the daemon set. The next component is networking. Every school has gates, hallways, and signboards, so people can move around. In Kubernetes, this is networking. So just remember, networking is the how traffic moves inside the school, which includes services, ingress, DNS, network policies. Next component is storage and config. The students need lockers, teachers need notice boards. In Kubernetes, this is storage and config. Just remember, storage and config is your data and instruction, that is PVC and config map and secrets. Next one is scaling and auto scaling. If more students join the school, you open more classes or bigger classrooms. In Kubernetes, this is the scaling and auto scaling. Just remember, scaling handles more load, which includes HPA, VPA, and the cluster autoscaler. The next one is security. Not everyone can go everywhere in the school. You need ID cards and the rules. In Kubernetes, this is a security. So just remember, security is who can do what, which gets managed through service accounts, roles, role bindings, and the policies. So let's walk through what we have learned in this video and keep that in your mind so you will keep that in synchronization when we get into our next video. Cluster is your school campus. Kubernetes control plane is your principal's office. Nodes are your school buildings. Pods are your classrooms. Containers are your students. Networking is the gate and hallways. Storage is lockers and notice boards. Scaling means more classes. Security is your ID card and rules. So, in the next video, we will walk into the principal office. That means we will understand how control plane manages everything in the Kubernetes. If you have liked this big picture, hit like, subscribe, and comment control plane if you're ready for the next video. This is KD. See you in the next video. Thank you.